Ever chuck a couple bucks into a meme coin,
Yeah.
hoping it'll, like, rocket you straight to the moon?
Yeah.
Well, get this.
Mm-hmm.
Even after meme coins crashed last month,
Oof.
like a $40 billion crash,
Yeah.
some platforms are not just, surviving, they're thriving
Mm-hmm.
in this wild west of cryptocurrency.
Seems pretty crazy.
So
yeah.
today we're diving deep
Okay.
into one of these platforms, Pump.fun.
Okay.
And this is a platform that lets you
Interesting.
make your own meme coins.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, like, even during this crash,
Yeah, they're doing really well.
Yeah. So what's the story there?
Yeah, so let's kind of unpack this whole thing.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
December 2025
Mm-hmm.
was brutal for meme coins.
Right.
We saw
Yeah.
$40 billion
Oh, wow.
just get
Yeah.
wiped out.
Oof.
It's insane.
It's gone.
Can you imagine
Yeah.
holding one of these coins during that time?
I mean, talk about a volatile market, right?
Yeah, like what a roller coaster that must have been.
Yeah. That's a huge, huge risk,
Yeah.
but also huge potential reward, as we see with Pump.fun, right?
Mm.
Even amidst all this chaos,
Yeah?
they managed to pull in nearly $400 million in revenue.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That's amazing.
And what's really interesting is that a good chunk of that was earned in Solana,
Okay.
which is a cryptocurrency known as SOL.
Okay, so Solana SOL.
Yeah.
Got it.
And they got over 2 million of them.
Wow. So even while the market's, crashing down around them,
Right.
they're still raking it in.
Yeah.
What is their secret? How are they doing this?
Well, they've been really clever about how they manage their earnings. They've been converting a portion of their Solana earnings into stablecoins like USDC.
Okay, so explain that. What is a stablecoin?
A stablecoin is designed to maintain a stable value. So it's usually pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar.
Okay.
So it's kind of like taking some of your winnings off the roulette table,
Right.
when you're on a hot streak,
Yeah.
just to make sure that, you don't lose it all.
Right. That's a smart move.
Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. It's a really smart way to manage risk in a market as unpredictable as crypto.
Right.
It kind of gives them a little bit more of a solid financial foundation.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Now, back in November, Pump.fun had a huge win.
Yes.
They broke records.
Mm-hmm.
They made $106 million,
Wow.
which
It's incredible.
is incredible.
Yeah.
And they became the
Mm.
first decentralized application,
Okay.
or a dApp,
Right.
on Solana
Gotcha.
to hit that monthly revenue.
Yeah. What is a decentralized app?
Okay.
Like, what is that exactly?
So a dApp is basically like an app you would have on your phone. But instead of being controlled by,
Yeah.
one single company,
Okay.
like an Apple or a Google,
Mhm.
it's run on a whole network of computers.
Oh, I see.
And this makes it much more resistant
Oh,
to
okay.
censorship or control, which is a huge appeal in the crypto world.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, so Pump.fun's hitting these incredible milestones. $106 million in a month.
Right.
That's unbelievable.
Talk about hitting the jackpot.
Yeah, but then
Yeah.
things got a little messy.
Oh, what happened?
So they introduced this live streaming feature.
Okay.
And unfortunately, some users decided to take advantage of it.
Oh, no.
And they started streaming
What were they streaming?
inappropriate and harmful content.
Oh, yikes.
And the community was not happy.
Rightfully so, yeah.
Yeah.
What happened then?
So they had to shut down the feature entirely.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
even in this decentralized world, you can't escape
Yeah.
the challenges of content moderation.
Right.
It's like, how do you balance freedom of expression with,
It's a tough one.
protecting people from harmful content?
It really highlights the issues these platforms face as they get bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
They want to encourage innovation, but how do you do that responsibly and keep people safe?
There are no easy answers.
No easy answers. Definitely not.
And then on top of that,
Oh, there's more.
the UK's Financial Conduct Authority,
Uh-huh.
the FCA,
Okay.
came hawking.
Oh, boy.
And they accused Pump.fun of basically
What?
promoting financial services
Uh-huh.
without proper authorization,
Oh, wow.
which essentially blocked them from operating in the UK.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
And this is a big hurdle for a lot of platforms in the crypto space, right?
Okay.
It's that battle between fast innovation and like these slow-moving regulations.
Yeah.
It's tricky for everybody to navigate.
And so now we've got like a super volatile market.
Right.
We've got content moderation issues,
Yeah.
regulatory hurdles.
Mhm.
You would think Pump.fun
Yeah.
would be down for the count,
Totally.
but they're not.
What? Really?
No, they're still bringing in money.
Wow.
They're even transferring millions of dollars in Solana
To where?
to Kraken,
Okay.
which is a major cryptocurrency exchange.
So they're still operating
They are.
despite all this.
Yeah, how are they doing this?
I mean, it's got to be that they have a really loyal user base, right?
Yeah.
Plus, they have this business model that's really innovative, letting users create their own meme coins.
Yeah.
They just seem to be able to like roll with the punches or
Yeah.
really adapt to the market.
It's pretty incredible. This whole story is just like,
It's a wild ride.
it is wild. Meme coins might have started as a joke, but they've clearly tapped into something.
Definitely.
These platforms like Pump.fun,
Mm-hmm.
they're really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with decentralized finance.
Yeah.
So it begs the question,
What's next?
what's next? Will meme coins, become more mainstream, right?
Right.
Or will they fade away?
Yeah.
And how are platforms like Pump.fun going to deal with,
Yeah.
the constantly changing regulations?
Right. And user expectations.
Yeah.
It's a lot to keep up with.
I mean, who knows what the answers are?
Yeah. I think only time will tell.
But the one thing we know for sure is that the world of meme coins, it's definitely not boring.
It's anything but boring, that's for sure.
So what do you think? What does the future hold for meme coins
Right.
and for Pump.fun? Let us know.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.